Hey guys, welcome to Easy WordPress tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install a free SSL certificate in your WordPress website that is hosted in SiteGround. What SiteGround does is whenever you buy any of their hosting plan, maybe Startup, Grow Big or Go Gig, it will give you a free SSL certificate for your website. But what you have to do is you have to activate it. So to do that, just log into your SiteGround dashboard and then go to website. I want SSL certificate in this website, so first check this website whether it has SSL certificate or not. So if I open this website in Google Chrome, here you can see it is showing not secure and it is displaying a message your connection is not private. So we are going to fix it. To do that, go to Site Tools, and in here what you have to do is go to security and SSL manager, and here you have to select any of these things. So there are three, so I'm going to select this, the first one, let's encrypt, and all you have to do is just click this get button. Okay, now you can see Let's Encrypt is installed for cosmosdigest.com. so go to https infos, and in here just click this one. Okay, and now you're all set to go. So if I open my website again, this cosmosdigest.com, here you can see now it has a lock item in here. So this means my website has now SSL certificate in it. So now here if I click it here, you can see it is displaying a message saying your connection is secure. So that's all guys, and I have given a link to get the SiteGround with 70% off in this video description. You can check that out as well. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any further updates when I upload new video in the future. Thanks for today.